Google Meet and other video conferencing platforms like Zoom have been on high demand during this coronavirus pandemic. Google Meet and Zoom crossed the 100 million mark in terms of the daily participants. So now the question is, did the Google Meet becoming paid version? The answer is yes. Recently, Google has announced the pricing for its services. So there are three types of packs we have: the free version and G Suite Essentials and G Suite Enterprise versions. For the free version of Google Meet, we can have maximum of 1 hour meeting duration, so which will affect from September 30, and we can have the maximum number of participants only 100, and the number of meeting per month is unlimited. And also by using this free version, we can join from the browser and invite external participants. From the mobile apps also we can able to access the Google Meet, and we can share the screen, adjustable layouts, and everything is available for the free version. So for the free version, we can't get the US or international dialing phone numbers features, and the live streaming is also not supported for the free version, and the live streaming in domain is also not supported. Meeting recording and saving to Google Drive is not possible from the September 30 if we are using the free version. Intelligent noise cancellation is also not available for the free version. So for the G Suite Essential versions, we can have up to 300 hours of meeting duration and 150 participants and unlimited number of meetings. The extra feature in this G Suite Essential is we can have the US and international dial phone numbers. And the premium feature, which is a G Suite Enterprise, which can have the maximum participants of 250, and also which have the live streaming up to 1 lakh viewers, and meeting recording is supported, and intelligent noise cancellation is also supported with that. So from now onwards, whoever wants to use the Google Meet for free, so will have these limitations. So the main limitations here are the maximum number of participants are 100, and the maximum length of a meeting duration is 1 hour. So these changes will affect from the September 30, 2020, which is tomorrow. So for the G Suite Essentials, we have the pricing of $8 per month per active user, and for G Suite Enterprise, so we have to contact Google for pricing and etc. In India, the G Suite prices for the business users are 672 rupees per user per month, and for the basic plan users 125 rupees per user per month, and the enterprise G Suite version, so which is 1650 rupees per user per month. So I hope this information is useful to you. If you like this video, like, comment and share with your friends. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more updates.